Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I am with you for the daily analysis of the USDJPY currency pair on April 3rd. We are currently reviewing the daily time frame. We observed that after the price entered the 160 range last week, we saw an increase in the strength of the Japanese yen against the US dollar, and this
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
downward movement took place. Earlier, Japanese officials had also announced that they would be monitoring the movements of this currency pair closely, and if it reaches the 160 range, the risk of Japanese intervention to support the yen will increase. Simultaneously with this, at the start of the week, through the published news, we witnessed a decrease in geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, and officials from both Iran and the United States were talking about readiness for a ceasefire and the possibility of ending the war. These conditions, which led to a drop in oil prices, weakened the US dollar, and in the first 3 days of the week, the price reached the 158.27 range with the drop of about 1.27% that it had. However, following that on Wednesday, we had Mr. Trump's speech, which did not provide any new signals for reducing tensions regarding Iran, and this very issue caused the markets to react with much more caution. After this speech on Wednesday, we saw an increase in the price of this currency pair, and now the price is trading in the 159.57 range. In the previous analysis we had for this currency pair at the beginning of the week, we expected the price to continue its downward movement after a short-term correction. We can see that the price moved according to the prediction, and we witnessed the first stage of trades based on the reduction of tension in the Forex market. But the second stage, meaning a further decrease in the strength of the US dollar, requires more clarity regarding the end of the war and the plans for reopening the Strait of Hormuz, a subject that, given the recent news, seems out of reach for the time being. On Wednesday, we saw that the price met very good support in the range of the previous low candle closes, and yesterday we witnessed an upward movement with powerful candles. This upward movement that has taken place, given the existing tensions and geopolitical conditions, we expect it to be ongoing. And today, April 3rd, on the occasion of Good Friday, many financial markets are closed, and for this reason, we are also seeing limited price movement for this currency pair. By checking the economic calendar, we can see that today, within the next hour, we will have important reports for the US dollar. We have mentioned this before, that the movement of currency pairs is currently mostly influenced by geopolitical news. One of the most important reports today is the non-farm employment report. In the previous report, it was published with the number -92,000. Today, on the occasion of Good Friday, we see limited movement for this currency pair, and we cannot expect much movement in the future either. Now, with conditions remaining stable and military tensions ongoing, we can expect the upward trend to continue as we head into next week. Earlier today, when the price reached the internal liquidity zone and the 1-hour BPR, it quickly moved back up. Good luck and happy trading.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.